Good morning, everybody. This is G. Narsimlu, Associate Professor, St. Peter's Engineering College. Today, we are going to know about this one. How you can write the h parameters of one configuration in terms of the another configuration. First of all, you should know what is the basic configuration. Let me consider here. Let me consider here example. Find common collector h parameters in terms of common emitter h parameters. First, we have to write the h parameter equations in CE configuration. You know, VBE is nothing but base to emitter voltage, that input voltage is equal to HIE IB plus HRE VCE. Then output collector current is equal to HFE IB plus H0E VCE. We know that one how these things we written. According to the previous video, we explain the things how you are going to be write the equations corresponding to the different configurations. Then we have to draw the CE configuration. In the CE configuration, what are the things are there? We have the base to emitter voltage, that is the input voltage, and IB is the input current, and collector to emitter voltage is VCE, and IC is nothing but collector current. This VC is acting like a output voltage, VB is acting like a input voltage, and IB acting like a input current, IC acting like a output current. Then equivalent H parameter model for the CE configured BJT is like this. Here in the sense we have VBE and we have the VBE input having current which is coming from the input is IB, and HIE, HRC VCE, HFE IB. This one is the current source, this one is the voltage source. This one you can be say it is a input resistance. Already we discussed what is HIE, HRE, HFE, and this one is output admittance H0G. This is collector current and VCE. It means this total diagram is understanding of the BJT in the CA configuration and H parameter model of the CA configuration. Now we have to write the H parameters for the CC configuration. What is the input of the CC configuration? It is VBC because collector is connected to ground, so base to collector voltage is acting like a input voltage. What is the output current of the CC configuration? It is a IE. Okay, and you can have this equation VBC is equal to HIC IB plus HRC VEC, and IE is equal to HFC IB plus HOC VEC. These things you should understand. You know, for the CC configuration it looks like this. VBC here having the input voltage, IB is the input current, VEC is output voltage, I is the output current. By using this you have written these H parameters, and you have to redraw the circuit model. Okay, circuit model in the CC configuration. Then what to do? We have the question. The question is find the CC H parameters in terms of CH parameters. We know the CH parameter model. We know that one CH parameter model. We have to make it to convert into CCH parameter model and derive the H parameter equations for the CC configuration in terms of CEH parameters. Now this one you are using. This is you are using this one diagram is using to make it to convert into CC configuration. What to do for this one? For CC configuration, C is connected to ground, so you have to make it to connect to ground. And you should understand for the CEC configuration, and base is going to be having input. It means this one is a base where the output is going to be extended to the emitter. It means it is going to be connected to the output terminal by the E. So when you are redrawing figure 7.7b, you will get equivalent diagram like this. It is very similar to the 7.7b. Means you should understand this you are collector to the base. Let us look into this. Collector to the base. What happened? HFE, IB, H1RT, E, which are parallel. It was there in this. You see, HFE, IB, H1RT. This when you collector is connected to ground, this arrow mark is going to up, as this one is going to up, and emitter is acting like output terminal. Yeah, obviously this is going to be acting like a output terminal. And what about this one? Input side having the base. What is the base here? You see IB, HIE, HRC, VCE. You see IB, HIE, HRC, VCE. This one is the diagram of CC configuration in terms of CE configuration. From this diagram 7.8b, you have to realize that one the components of CC in terms of CE. Here in the CC, what the parameters are there? VBC, HIC-IB plus HRC-VEC, and IE is equal to HFC into IB plus HOC-VEC. You should understand VBC is the input voltage, IE is the output current, in turn which are depends on the HIC, HRC, HFC, HOC. We have to determine the equation for HIC, HRC, HFC, HOC in terms of each parameters of CE configuration. Now let us write the equation for the input circuit from the figure 7.8b. What the input circuit here? This one is the input circuit. VBC is equal to, this one is equal to HIE-IB. HIE is IB, it is the resistance, and multiplied with this IB plus HRC-VCE, okay, plus VEC, this one VEC, okay. This you can be called it as a VBC, right? VBC is equal to IB plus HIE and plus HRE-VCE, and we can have the VEC. Okay, you should understand HFE IB you are not going to be considered because it is a current source. HFE IB and H1RT, which result into the current source. We are taking the KVL. Now VBC is equal to HIE IB plus VEC you are taking common, that is 1 minus HRE. Then you can also write the equation for the IB. What is the IB here? You see IB plus HFE IB plus IE minus HOE VEC. It means that you should understand the amount of current which is coming from the input circuit is IB. The amount of current which is coming from the current source HFE IB. The amount of current which is coming from the output, it is HIE. The amount of current which is going to be grounding through the HO0E, okay, and VEC. Then you can be understand IB plus HFE IB plus IE minus HO0E VEC is equal to 0 according to the KCL formula. Then you are taking common IB, then remaining 1 plus HFE IB plus IE minus HOE VEC. Now you have to be compare these equations. VBC is equal to HIC IB plus HRC VEC, 7.21 equation. IE is equal to HFC IB plus H0C VEC, 7.22 equation with 7.23 and 7.24 respectively. Then you can determine what is the HIC, what is the HRC, what is the HFC, what is the HOC. You see the HIC is equal to HIE. Where is this one? VBC is equal to HIE IB plus 1 minus HRE VEC. Just to compare 7.23 with 7.23 with 7.21. Here HIC is there. Here HIC is nothing but HIE and HRC is nothing but 1 minus HRE. Then from the equation 7.24 and comparing with the 7.22, here we have the HIE is equal to, you can have this comparison, minus of 1 plus HFE IB plus H0E VEC. Then you can rewrite this one. HFC from this equation, this one, HFC is equal to minus 1 plus HFE, and H0C is nothing but HOE. These are the parameters you derived for the CC configuration in terms of emitter configurations. Again, one more configuration you can take, you can write those configuration terms in terms of another configuration. Let me take one more example. Convert the CC configuration parameters into CB configuration parameters. First you have to be take that one CC configuration. It is VBC is equal HIE IB plus HRC VEC, and IE is equal to HFE IB plus H0 CVEC. Now just to draw the model for the CC configuration. This one is a model for the CC configuration. Then you should understand how to write the CB configuration H parameters also. In the CB configuration, the base is connected to ground and emitter is acting like a input terminal and collector is acting like a output terminal. So the voltage which is applied between the emitter to base is the input voltage. Voltage which is coming through that collector terminal is output current. Just to see this one, BC is the input voltage. Sorry, here EB is the input voltage of the common base configuration. Okay, and VCB is the output voltage, VEB is the input voltage, I is the input current, IC is a output current. So for this, what is a equivalent H parameter model? This is understanding of this very important. Here you can see for the CC configuration. This one is for the CC configuration model. Then you have to be make it to convert 7.9B figure to the CB configuration. What to do? Just you have to be take this to be extended to the ground. Base is connected to ground. When base is connected to ground, this IB direction is goes upward. Just to see here, this one. And you should be understand when it is connected to ground, what happens. This is HIC. You are going to be having like this HIC IB. The IB current direction is like this. Next, you should understand when it is connected to ground, HRC VEC. This terminal will interchange. Minus will come here, plus will come here. Just observe. Minus will come here, plus will come here. And this one is connected to base. And what about this one? Emitter is acting like a input. Okay, now you can be see emitter is extended here for the input. Then what happened? These are going to become parallel. Okay, and this will become output. Collector is going to become output. The direction will be like this. Just to observe here, HFC IB, H0 C, which are in parallel each other, and I is going to be entering like this. And this is called, here voltage drop across this H0C is a VEC. Okay, and this one is a collector terminal. Just to see this one, this is going to be acting output terminal. So this is an equivalent diagram of CBH parameter model in terms of the um, CC configuration. In terms of the CC configuration, that you should be understand. Then again you have to be write the equations, okay, for the input circuitry. Okay, then what to do here? Just simply VEB is equal to VEB is equal to applying the KVL. VEB is equal to what is the voltage of this circuit? VEC. This circuit voltage is VEC minus HRC VEC. What is the voltage here? HIC IB. Okay, HIC IB. This is the voltage. Okay, then what happened? You can write this VEB is equal VEC. You are taking common. It is remaining 1 minus HRC minus HIC IB. Then IE is equal to HFC IB. Okay, plus H0C VEC. Where is the IE? This one is IE. What is the amount of current? HI is equal HFC IB, okay, plus H0C VEC. H0C VEC. This is the current. H0C VEC. So then what happened? This one is a current which is going to be having. This one is a current which is going to be having. This is called I. So I have written I. Then you know that one VEB is equal to VEC plus VCB. By taking cancel the CC, okay, VEB you can have, that is a VEB is equal to VE plus VEC plus VCB. Then you can be say this one, sum of the all the currents of the transistor is equal to 0. IE plus IB plus IC is equal to 0. Generally IE is equal to IB plus IC. Okay, that is a formula you should be remember. Okay, here you should understand, eliminate the value of IB and VEC from the equation 7.29. Where is the IB? You should be eliminate IB and you should be eliminate VEC. Okay, from the equation 7.29 using the equation 7.3 and 7.30 and 7.31. Then we have to be understand VEB, it is in turn of IE, in turn of the VCB only. Okay, right? Then VEB is equal to HIC divided by HIC H0C minus HRC HFC into HI plus 1 minus HRC HFC plus HIC H0C divided by HIC multiplied H0C minus HRC HFC into VCB. Yeah, this is a VEB equation. This you can be compared with the previous one. What is the previous one? Here you could understand. Here we have written in terms of the uh, common base configuration, uh, in terms of the common collector configuration. So next one is IC. You can be right using the equation 7.3 to 7.33, doing some manipulations will get this one IC. Okay, here these two equations 7.33, 7.34, you can be you can be okay, compare with the 7.27, 7.28. Then you can understand what is the HIB, what is the HRB, what is the HOB, what is the H0B. These things you will come to know. So from there you can be write the equation HIB is equal HIC divided by HIC H0C minus HRC HFC, and HOB is equal to HRC of 1 plus HFC minus HSC, and HOC divided by HIC HOC minus HRC HFE. And for HRB is equal 1 minus HRC HFC plus HIC HOC divided by HIC HOC minus HRC HFC, and HOB is equal HOC divided by HIC HOC minus HRC HFC. Like this, you have to be write the um, uh, one example. You should be write the one example at your home. That is first example 7.1 example. That example is convert CB H parameters into CC configuration. Same phenomena you should be follow. First to take that what is the basic H parameter model you want to become convert. You have to be draw that one. And another one is targeted H parameter model. Okay, and you could understand that one. What is the parameters need to be converted into in what H parameters. Let me consider here CB. First you take that one CB H parameter equations and draw the transistor diagram, draw the H parameter model for that CBH parameters, and then you are going to be convert into CCH parameter na. So first to take the CC transistor model, and then you have to be understand what to do. Okay, in CC configuration what happened here, we have to be connect the collector to the base. Okay, it means that you have to be extend this collector to the base, and base is acting like an input and emitter is going to be output side. This is a model you can be have. For this you apply the KCL, and you should be apply the KVL, so that you can have the finally equations and compare the basic equations with these equations, so that you can be have uh, CB parameters in CCH parameters. This is a today class. Okay, by this way you can be convert any model to any model, not only uh, uh, CB to CC, CE to CC. You can be convert any model to any model. CB to CE you can be convert, CE to CB you can be convert, CC to CB you can be convert. Like this you can be convert any model to any model. Like that you should be follow the instructions properly. Thank you everyone. This one is the today's class. Thank you.